If AlayaCare is not already on your work phone, download it from the application store. The company's server name is ILWR.AlayaCare.ca. Your employee username is your ILWR email address, firstname.lastname@ilwr.ca. Your password is respect with a capital R followed by your employee number with an exclamation mark. Tap Login. If you are having issues logging in, check the spelling of the server name, your email address, and that you have the correct password. Ensure you're using the latest version of the app by checking in the Google Play Store for updates. To create a new password, select Forgot Password, enter your email, click Submit on the next page, and you will receive an email with instructions to create a new password. Click the menu in the top left with 3 lines. This is the main menu. You have the employee name and profile. You can view your current caseload, your daily schedule, open activities which can be used for troubleshooting, view your task list, view all your offers, and sign out of your account. And in settings, you can renew your session or change your offline settings. You only have to complete a COVID screener once a day before you begin your first shift. Click on your schedule for today. You will see a title labeled COVID-19 Daily Screener. Click on that. Click Clock In, select COVID-19 Daily Screener, select Forms on the Care Delivery page. Under Pinned Forms, select COVID-19 Screener. Click the blue plus sign at the bottom right of the screen. Fill out your COVID screener form with your name, and for report type, select Employee, as it is only required for employees to fill this form out. The COVID screener is no longer for consumers. Answer all of the questions. If you answer yes to any questions, please reach out to the Consumer Service Coordinators for further instructions. Once completed, click Submit, and the back arrows found in the top left corner of your screen to return to your home page. Here you will select Clock Out. To assign yourself a visit, click the plus sign button in the right-hand corner of the screen. This will allow you to add a visit. Click Save in the top right corner. Choose a consumer from your list. Then choose Shift ALPS for the service code when adding a new visit. Attendants working in the community do not have permissions to add visits to their schedule. Select your start time and finish time and click Save in the top right corner of the screen. Your schedule will appear when you log in. You will see the date, time, and location address of your shifts. Click on the address to bring up a map that will give you directions to the location of the consumer or site. Click on your shift to see more details of the visit, including the cell phone number for the site. Click on the phone number to make a call. When you directly select the consumer from your list, you will be able to view the number and type of pets they have, any infectious diseases they have, and which personal protective equipment to use during your visit. The Clock In button is at the bottom of the screen. Click Clock In when you are ready to start your shift. When you select a location, under Care Provider Notes, you will find the lockbox or buzzcode information to enter the site. When you select a consumer, under Care Provider Notes, there may be tasks or routines, as well as corresponding days for when these items are to be completed. Under the Consumer and under the Care Management tab, you will find a detailed care plan. If the consumer has a diagnosis, it will be listed here, as well as the list of services that need to be attended to.
Care delivery and service tasks. You will find information related to consumer care and service activities by clicking on the Consumers tile. From there, you will click on Care, and then tap on Care Management, next Care Plan, and this will take you to see a consumer's diagnosis and details of service plan activities. Click on the back button and it will take you back to the main screen, where you will then select Care Delivery, followed by Service Tasks. This will be where you can go to check off all of the tasks you must complete specific to the consumer. Please note that if you do not complete all of the required tasks, you will have issues clocking out. Leaving a visit note. If for any particular reason you cannot complete service tasks, you may leave a visit note. To leave a visit note, you will click on the tile with information about the shift, and under Visit Details, you will see a section labeled Visit Notes. That will take you to a screen where you may type a note related to the consumer or their visit. Forms. To access various forms, you will click on the Shift Information tile. Then select Forms. Click Add a Form, the blue button at the bottom of the screen, and then you will be taken to a section where you can access all of your relevant forms. Here you will find Consumer Full, Consumer Injury/Illness, and a Consumer Risk/Hazard form. You will also find a Shift Giveaway and a Shift Switch form. This is specific to the shift, so ensure you click on the shift you would like to give away or switch and fill out the form through there. If an incident occurs while you are on call, you are required to fill out the necessary forms that apply. Visit offers. When you have received a visit offer, you will be notified via text and a notification. If you click on the text, you will see the details of the shift, the time, date, and location. You have the option to click on the link that will take you to AlayaCare or to complete this process just in the app. To accept this visit offer, you will return to the home screen. You will click on the burger menu, and you know you will have a visit offer when you see a little orange dot on the top right corner of the menu. Click on Offers and it will appear. You will click on the offer to see the details and select Thumbs Up to accept or Thumbs Down to decline. To confirm that you have accepted your visit offer, you may select View Schedule and the offer should appear. Troubleshooting. If you are experiencing difficulties with AlayaCare, here's what you can do to solve it. First, ensure that you have no outstanding open activities. If for whatever reason you are not able to clock into a shift or consumer visit, it could be because you are still clocked into a call from another shift. To fix this, open the burger menu, click on the Open Activities tab, and see if you have any open work sessions. If you do, you will hit the View All button and it will show you what you have open. Click on the little clock on the corner of the open sessions and clock out. Then, try to clock into your shift again. Please ensure to leave a note on that specific visit explaining that you forgot to clock out. Another reason AlayaCare could be causing you difficulty is if your phone is not up to date. To solve this, go to Settings, scroll down to Software Update, select Download Updates manually, and it will let you know if your software is in need of an update. Similarly, with the AlayaCare app itself, go to the Play Store, search up AlayaCare, and click Update if needed. Or it could just be as simple as logging out, then logging back into AlayaCare. You can do this by selecting the burger menu and then selecting Log Out and then logging back in again.